To turn on computers in the morning, go down to the bottom right, click to show the hidden icons, and choose LanSchool. It's a little circle with the green dots. It will take it a minute to load. Once you click it, it loads. Then you go up to the top and choose Administer Power On Student. Press Power On and they all pop up. Press Close, watch them pop up. Once you see them all pop up on your screen, press Control A to select them all. Then go to the top and press Control. It'll ask you if you want to control them at the same time. Choose Yes. Then go back to Control, hit the triangle, send Control-Alt-Delete, type in the password, and it will log on all of the student computers at one time. Just make sure you hit Control again. That way they'll start loading and the students can do their work, and that's it.